Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Santosh. Today is going to be it is going to be a very interesting video. I will show you 100 things that you can do on a WordPress. Let's get started. Please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I can make more content for you. Do you want to know from absolute basics? Choose a hosting account. So I choose Infinity Free and I log in. Second, register a domain name. We are going to do it right now. Go to create account. Once you go to create account, select Infinity Free, create now, and you have to choose a domain name. Complete the captcha. Once you complete the captcha, what you can do is you have all these extensions. So I will just say ecotales.nv.uk and I will go to check account, and over here I will say I approve, and I will say create account. Once that is done, what it is doing is it is registering a domain name. It will give you a professional site. This is a subdomain that I'm registering, but the registration process is same for a domain name as well. Choose hosting. Why you need to choose hosting? It determines the speed and time and scalability. Infinity Free is a very good provider, so I suggest you use Infinity Free for this. As you can see, it will take some time. Please wait for this process to complete. As you can see, the hosting account is set up and we have the admin panel. That's wonderful. You can directly click on manage. Now, what that will do is it will bring up all these things, right? Now, what I want to do is I want to install SSL. By default, SSL is installed on Infinity Free. Let's go ahead and check if it is installed or not. So if I go to ecotales.nv.uk, for example, if I go to ecotales.nv.uk, you can see that our domain is ready and the SSL is already set up. By default, you get a SSL certificate on Infinity Free, so we can skip this step. It secures the data and builds trust. On cPanel, you can go ahead and install SSL very easily by going to SSL certificates. I will show you the steps. What you can do is if something is expired, what you can do is you can remove them. But for creating a new certificate, you need to do new SSL certificates, put the domain name. For instance, in this case, it will be ecotales.nv.uk and you will create an order and that will create the SSL certificate. Then what you will do is you will configure that SSL certificate use it, using a CNAME record, or you can go ahead and put it, then configure the private key and the challenge, and the SSL certificate will be set up. The next thing is to install WordPress. It is the core CMS for your website. That is why it is needed. Let's see how we can do that. So the first thing that you do here is you go to home. Once you go to home, you see the Ecotales. You click on it. Over here, click on control panel. Once you click on control panel, the control panel will open up. If you're using a cPanel, if this is the first time, you will see this message. Click on I approve and the panel will load. This is your administrative panel for your hosting account. Here you can find various things like preferences, files, databases, domains, email metrics, security. The one that we are looking at is software, where you find Softaculous Apps Installer. Click on it. It will open the Softaculous Apps Installer. So what you do is you click on Portal CMS if you don't see WordPress. Then if you when you see WordPress, click on install and that will install WordPress. So we are installing it on the main domain, which is ecotales.info.uk, and I want to use the latest version, which is 6.8.1. The site name is ecotales, and over here I will just type stories for everyone. Once you do that, you need to put the admin username. I will just say admin123, and you need to copy and paste this somewhere so that you can remember. For instance, I will just say admin123 and I will copy the password and put this here. Once you do that, you can click on install. Selecting a theme is optional, so that is how you set up WordPress. It will take about a minute to install. Till then, we will see what we are doing next. So the next thing is to choose a language. This localizes your site for the users. I will show you how once this installation is complete. Let's give it some time. This is going to be about 30-minute video. So let's see what all steps we can complete. And if I get about 1,000 views and 100 likes, I will continue making this video and I will cover all the steps. Let's see how many steps we can cover because each step will take at least about 2 minutes to complete. So as you can see, we are still in the fourth step where we are choosing the core CMS for the website. Once this bar reaches 100%, that means that the WordPress installation is complete. We are almost done, so bear with it for a moment. Depending on your hosting provider, this might take a little longer if your hosting provider is not powerful enough. So always ensure that you choose a good hosting provider when using scripts like WordPress. Almost done. It's stuck at 95% now, where it has to copy a lot of files. Usually, everything that you do will take a lot of time because WordPress installations can have a lot of files. So, installing all those files and all those folders, unpacking them, and getting it ready will take some time. So, hopefully, this will be done soon so that I can move on to the next step where I show you how to choose a language. We already set the site title and tagline. Let's copy this. I will open this in Google Docs. I will also give you this resource as a downloadable file that you can use. This is step by step table of 100 things that you can do on WordPress from installing. Okay, so 100 things to do on WordPress. Okay, I will download this as a PDF document for you guys so that I can share this with you. Let's insert some things over here. Page elements. We don't need this. Actually, let's see if this is complete. This is still not complete. Once it is complete, you will see that under this tab over here, you have, you can see that all installations. If you click on this box, you can see all installations. You can click on it and it will bring you the, it didn't give us, the WordPress is installed now. Now we can proceed further. So if you click on this particular, again I'll show you, please look here on the top, you see all installations, click on it and you will see this. Once you see the script installations, you come down and choose the very first icon. That is to manage the installations. That is for staging. That is for editing details. That is for removing. So click on manage installs, and it will bring you here. Let's see. I will have to open this one more time. Let's shift this here. I will open the control panel. I will have to open the Softaculous Apps installer. Isn't this interesting, guys? So installations one, click here, that is the shortcut. Over here, click on manage. And over here, you can see that you can log in. Okay, all these are the details for your WordPress. Now click on login. And what that will do is it will log you onto your WordPress account. So as you can see, it is the admin login. Over here, you can see you have the dashboard. Click on dashboard, Echo Tails, dashboard. And over here, as I told you, just copy the password and paste it and log in. And you will be logged in. Over here in settings, click on save. Here you go to settings and general. The next thing that we are doing now is managing the WordPress. We already set a site title and the tagline. So the 100 things is over here. So now we already did this. Now we can go ahead and choose a language. Let me show you how we can do this. So over here, you see a lot of things. Site language is where you set your language. For example, English, Hindi. You can see all these languages. Hindi, Kannada, all these languages are supported. That is how we set the language. For instance, if you wanted to choose English, Kannada, you would choose it right over here. Okay. In settings, under general, That is where you change your language. Let me show you the next thing that we are going to do. The next thing is to set a title and tagline. Again, I will show you how to do this right over here. You set the title and you set the tagline. That is where you type and set these up. The next thing is to select a time zone. Selecting time zone is also in the same general section. If you scroll down, you get to choose the, let me show you. I'm just trying to find something over here. Time zone, right over here. For me, it is, you can select the place where you are. For example, I'm trying to find Mumbai. It is not there. I will try Calcutta. That is how you set it. Time zone. You select Calcutta and then you go ahead and click on Save Changes. So the next thing that we are going to do on WordPress is delete default pages or posts. Let me show you how. It will remove the clutter and demo content. So you go to post on the left hand side, click on all posts, click on the checkbox over here, go to bulk actions, move to trash and apply. So that is how it will remove the posts, and we are going to do that with pages as well. On the left hand side, you see pages, click on all pages and put a check mark here, then go to bulk actions, move to trash and then apply. So we deleted the privacy and sample pages. Wonderful. Are you enjoying this? Okay, very good. Now, the next thing is to change the permanent structure, makes it SEO friendly. So to do this, again, we have to go to settings and general. And over here, you don't have permalinks, but if you go to writing, you get something over here. Let's try reading. There is a dedicated section in the new WordPress called as permalinks. You can click on permalinks, and now you can see that you get this permalink structure. Under permalink structure, you can select the post name. This is how I like it. Or you can also do all these options, which will be post ID, and it will also pick up the year and all of them. If you use a custom structure, use post name and then click on Save Changes. That is how you change the permanent settings that will make URLs SEO friendly. Alright, the next thing is to create our bot page. It introduces the brand or site. So let's create the page. I will just say about page and I will go to pages, all pages, add a page. Then what I do is click on next over here, about page, and then this, we don't want the themes now, is our about page. Then leave all the options as is and click on publish and publish it. Now you can view the page and this is how the page looks. Next is to create a contact page. Let's go ahead and create a contact page. By now, it should be easy for you. You just go to the left-hand sidebar and go to pages, click on add page, and what you do is you click the contact page and then just say this is our don't want any patterns, contact page. Then click on publish, publish. Then again, the next thing is privacy policy page, required for compliance, allows user communication. As you know, that was the contact page. Now again, pages, add page. Then what you do is you go to pages and create the policy page and click on publish. What that did is just like that. We are experts in creating pages. We created 3 pages. All the pages are visible over here about contact and privacy page. The next thing is to create the terms of service page. So again, very quickly, I'll show you how to do that. Again, add page. You can access this menu or the side menu. Doesn't matter. This is annoying. Terms of service page. Okay, click on publish, publish. That is how you create various pages. The next thing is the 14th thing, which is to choose a theme. I'll show you how to choose a theme. Click on this W on the left, top left, go to appearance and themes, and you can find various themes over here. If you don't find the theme that you're looking for, you can click on add themes here, or you can click on add theme here. What that will do is it will bring up the theme finder. And over here, you can see various themes that you might like. Okay. So over here, choose one theme. I will choose this one, storefront, or maybe not that. I will just see blog hash. I will click on install. Over here, once you find the theme that you like, you click on install and then you click on activate, followed by activate. What that will do is that will add that theme to your website. Blog hash recommends the following plugins. You can do this later. Don't click on install now. You can visit the site now and you will see that it would have changed the appearance. As you can see, it is a beautiful looking site now, right? Now, the theme, what it does is it defines the design and layout. We change the design and layout of the theme. Now, I will show you the next step is to add or install a child theme. So over here, I will show you how to add a child theme, but it is beyond the scope of this video, quite frankly, because uh, actually we are using this is the advanced concept actually. Installing child themes is the advanced concept where you don't make any changes to the files on the original theme, but the child theme itself. So over here, if you just click on theme, you can just, I will just go over here. We are at this topic. This will take some time, guys. I will just show you. You can search for how to install child theme on WordPress. This is the advanced concept which cannot be taught in this particular video, but I will just show you. Okay, so you have to open the website structure. So this is almost 24 minutes, but I will show you very quickly what we do. You go to the file manager, go to file manager. What you do here is this is already expired. You try to run it through again. Then you go to htdocs, then you go to WP content, then you go to themes. You see various themes that your WordPress is using. Here, you will create a new file as instructed over here. You can just call this my child. That is the name of your theme. Okay, I will just call this Santosh, which is fine. If you are finding this interesting, then please subscribe and get me the views, and I will teach you a lot more. Then you create the style.css over here. This is an essential file which will hold all the styles. So you will just create this file. Then you will just go ahead and add the functions.php file. This is theme customization, guys. We don't teach this in the beginners class, but I'm just showing you how to do this. So what this does is it creates the child theme. Okay. Now we added the function with and we added the hook, which is added action called as enqueue scripts. Okay. Then you save this. Now what you do is once this is done, what you can do is you can go to your WP dashboard again. You can open the site actually, and you will find the theme there. Almost complete, guys, which is ecotales.np.uk/wp login.php, and you will have to paste the password, and you should see your child theme. On the left hand side, appearance themes, and over here you still don't see it, but as I told you, this cannot be taught in a minute or so. So let's skip this. Okay, let's skip this part because this is a 30-minute recording and it cannot be done within 30 minutes. It's an advanced skill that is required. So we will not. I taught you how to add the child theme, but it should have shown over here. You should see that over here. Only then it is useful for you. For example, here I have to add the child theme, but that child theme is not visible over here. If I just search Santosh child, it should come up, but because it is not recognizing it, it's not coming up. But if you found value in this video, please subscribe to the channel. It is AX Santosh. You can go to youtube.com/@AX Santosh. And we are on a verge of exploring 100 things we can do on WordPress. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channels. And I will also give you the list for free. So please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for your time. This is Santosh. Take care.